In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch print invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you regularly send out multiple invoices, batch printing can save you a lot of time and ensure everything goes out consistently. I'll guide you through each click and share helpful context so you can print with confidence the first time. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, head to the sales area, then open the Invoices section. This is your central hub for everything billing related, and it's where you will choose exactly which invoices you want to print together. On the Invoices list, look for the checkboxes next to each invoice. Select the ones you want to include. You're in control here, so feel free to pick a handful or a larger batch. If you change your mind, you can uncheck an invoice at any time before moving on. This is a great moment to double check that you're choosing the correct customers and dates, especially if you're preparing a weekly or monthly mailing. With your invoices selected, find the Batch Actions drop-down at the top or near the list. Click it to open the available options, then choose Print Transactions. QuickBooks will gather the invoices you selected and prepare them for printing. You'll now see a print preview. Think of this as your last review screen. Scan through each invoice to confirm the customer names, amounts, dates, and any notes look correct. If something appears off, you can close the preview, make edits back in Invoices, and run the print process again. Taking a brief moment here helps you avoid wasted paper and reprints. Before you print, make sure your printer is ready to go. Load it with the appropriate paper. Plain white paper is common, but if your business uses letterhead, this is the time to insert it. Confirm that the paper is aligned and the tray isn't overfilled, and that your printer is online and has enough ink or toner. When everything looks good, click Print in the preview window to send the batch to your printer. Once the printing finishes, collect your invoices from the output tray. Keep them in order, bundle them if needed, and set them aside for distribution. Whether you're handing them off internally or preparing them for mailing, having them grouped and ready now will make delivery quick and organized. That's the full process from selection to print. By using batch printing in QuickBooks Online, you'll streamline your workflow and ensure your invoices are ready to go with just a few clicks.